Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Santander savings account. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of managing your account effectively. To start, you need to open a Santander savings account, which can be done online or in person at a local branch. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card and account information. The first step in using your account is to deposit funds, which can be done through direct deposit, transfer from another account, or in person at a branch. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To access your account, you can use online banking or the Santander mobile app. Both options allow you to view your account balance, transaction history, and transfer funds. You can also use the app to deposit checks remotely and pay bills. When using your account, it is essential to keep track of your transactions and balance to avoid overdrafts and fees. You can set up account alerts to notify you of low balances or large transactions. Another key feature of a Santander savings account is the ability to set savings goals. You can open multiple accounts for different goals, such as a vacation or emergency fund, and transfer funds accordingly. To get the most out of your account, consider the following best practices. Set a budget and stick to it. Prioritize needs over wants, and avoid unnecessary withdrawals. You should also take advantage of any interest rates or rewards offered by Santander. In conclusion, using a Santander savings account is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and discipline. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your account and achieve your savings goals.